Self-introduction sentences.
Self-introduction sentences.
I am from.
I am from.
I am from Spain.
I am from Spain.
I lived in.
I lived in.
I lived in Madrid, Spain.
I lived in Madrid, Spain.
I live in.
I live in.
I live in Seattle.
I live in Seattle.
I have been in the U.S. for.
I have been in the U.S. for.
I have been in the U.S. for 3 years.
I have been in the U.S. for 3 years.
My first language is.
My first language is.
My first language is Spanish.
My first language is Spanish.
I'm years old.
I'm years old.
I'm 40 years old.
I'm 40 years old.
My birthday is in.
My birthday is in.
My birthday is in December.
My birthday is in December.
My birthday is on.
My birthday is on.
My birthday is on December 25th, 1983.
My birthday is on December 25th, 1983.
My phone number is.
My phone number is.
My phone number is 253-123-4567.
My phone number is 253-123-4567.
My email address is.
My email address is.
My email address is rob.woods@seattleschool.edu.
My email address is anna.woods@seattleschool.edu.
My family has members.
My family has members.
My family has 5 members. My wife, Anna, 3 children, and me.
My family has 5 members. My husband, Rob, 3 children, and me.
My hobby is.
My hobby is.
My hobby is watching movies.
My hobby is watching movies.